Hello friends, Amanda here with you today for La La Land Crafts, and for today's card we're using the new release into the line Quacktastic Clear Stamp Set. The stamp set comes with 4 adorable ducks, and there's one that's sitting, which is the one we're using for right now, and then there's another one that's kind of waddling that we're going to be putting in the pond. This duck is so cute. We're using the W's, W3, W1, and W0 for the whiteness of this cute duck. And I'm just giving him some little sketch lines like around his tummy and underneath his hand. So I'm going to let you watch me color, and I will come back to you when it's done. Okay, so I did the coloring of the other duck off of line. Right now we are coloring the die cuts Snapdragon, Rounded Grass Patches die, and the Tree Log die. All the colors that I'm using for my card today will be listed in the description box below, along with all of the products you can find from La La Land Crafts. So we're going to finish up the coloring and then we'll assemble and I'll come back. Alright, now that the coloring's done, I went ahead and die cut the pond out of 2 different color blues, and I've glued down the tree log die. I then ran it through my die cutting machine with the postage square die. Here we're taking the other duck that I colored, and we're just going to make a mark, cut a slit, and slide her right in. She's so cute. I don't know if you noticed, but we gave her eyelashes. So we're just going to slide her in there like that, glue her down, and she is in there to stay. We're going to glue this down to our square postage die, or postage square die is what it's called. Lining up those bottom little marks, getting it all even. We're going to pop up this little ducky who's sitting on some square dots and put him up right there on the log. I'm going to slide in my Snapdragon die cut here, along with the rounded grass patches die. Give them this cute little pond scene that they're going to be enjoying for the day. And then I'm going to take the little lily pads that come with this and just kind of arrange it inside the pond. Give it some cute character. What's a pond without lily pads, right? With my white gel pen, I'm just going to give her some little lines that are going around her like little ripples. And the same with around the lily pads. It's coming together. I've stamped out the sentiment, "I'm one lucky duck to have you in my life." And I've used the scalloped labels die, and I've cut it out of twice, once out of blue and once out of the sentiment that we've stamped. And we're just going to glue it right to our card. I've glued everything on a blue background cardstock, and we're done. I hope you've enjoyed today's video, friends. Do come again. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!